Students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 6, that is varying lifestyles in animals. We have already discussed about the body coverings of the animals, different animals having different body coverings. In today's video we will be discussing about the different movements in animal, how different animals are able to move in different conditions. So, let us start. What are the movements in animal? The first is the land animals. How these land animals are able to move. Then we will discuss animals that fly. Those animals who all are flying or birds who all are flying, how they all are able to fly. Then animals that live in water means aquatic animal, how those aquatic animals are able to survive in that water. Land animals, most land animals like cows, dogs, crocodiles and lizards have 4 limbs to move. They use all their 4 limbs to move, means उनके पास क्या होता है, 4 limbs होते हैं by which they are able to move. Now the reptiles like crocodile or lizard or snake, they all comes in the category of reptiles. Reptiles crawl on their short limbs. As we know that crocodile or lizards, they have short limbs by which they are able to walk. Now comes the matter of snake. Snake is also a kind of reptile. So snake do not have legs. So they move with the help of plates that are present on the underside of their body. उनके body के निचले side में there are plates which helps them to crawl. Same plates are available in the underside of reptile which helps reptile also to walk on the land. So plates are present in snake as well as in reptiles or lizards. Then earthworm. Earthworm has segmented bodies which they can extend and contract. By that extended and contraction they are able to move. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेगमेंटेड. सेगमेंटेड का मतलब क्या, उनका बॉडी क्या है, बटा हुआ, यू कैन सी. सो इनका बॉडी क्या सेगमेंट्स में डिवाइडेड है. सो बाय दिस सेगमेंट दे आर एबल टू मूव. नाउ हाउ दे आर एबल टू मूव, दैट यू सी. what they do, first of all they move, then the body is extended, this is the extension, and then it contracts. देखो फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है, मिलता है. तो क्या करता है, पहले ये अपने आप को फैलाता है, फिर उसके बाद वो मूव करता है. सो दिस इज हाउ अ अर्थवर्म इज एबल टू मूव. नाउ द इंसेक्ट्स. नाउ इंसेक्ट्स दे हैव very small legs and they have legs. Some insects like grasshopper or ant or butterflies, they have wings to fly in the air. Some of the animals they do not need wings, but some of the insects, they need wings to fly. Some of the insects only walk, so they need wings as well as legs or limbs to walk. Now we will see about the aquatic animals, the animals that live in water. As we all know that fish is the most common aquatic animals that we see in the water. Fish. And this fish is having a streamlined body. Streamlined body means what? Streamlined body means उनका body क्या होता है, straight होता है, सीधा. उनके body के इस portion में there is a lateral line which helps them to swim. Now as you can see, a fish having many fins, है ना, they are having many fins. So these fins helps them to move. Now how it helps them to move? Now the paired fin, जो fin जो paired में होते हैं, it helps them to move forward. The unpaired fin, it helps them to keep the balance of the body, and the tail helps them to change the direction in the water. So this is how the fish is able to move in the water. Now we will see something deep, that how actually these wings, these fins of fish helps them to move. These are the fins. All the fins, they have different names, like pectoral fin, that is at the front. Then they have pelvis, the lateral line by which we can know that, or which can see that fish, they are having a streamlined body. Then they have dorsal fin, caudal fin and anal fin. Now let us see what are the uses. Now pectoral fin, this pectoral fin, it just act as a rudder और steer के जैसे. Steer जो होता है, जो उनको जिसकी मदद से क्या होता है, उसको खींचते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, स्टॉप हो जाता है. So basically this pectoral fin act as a steer, जिसके थ्रू और जिस by which it can stop or move. Then come the lateral line. This lateral line helps them in moving and it makes their body streamlined. Then come the dorsal fin. This dorsal fin helps to control the rolls. Roll को control करने में help करता है. Basically it gives the balance, staying upright, मतलब कि वो ऊपर रहे, इसके लिए ये इसको help करता है, ऊपर रहे, ऊपर के direction में जाने के लिए. Now come the pelvis fin. It is the most important fin as it helps to control the pitch of the water. Then comes the anal fin. This anal fin helps in stabilizing, it gives the balance. ये fin आपके fish को proper balance देता है. Then come the last one, the caudal fin. This basically provides the thrust and controls the direction. This caudal fin helps to control the direction, in which direction the fish needs to move, right, left or wherever. So these are the fins by which a fish is able to move. Now let us talk about some different animals that are present in the water, how they are able to swim. First of all, we will talk about frog. Frog, how does a frog moves in water or swims in water? So they have a webbed feet. Webbed feet means you can see they have this kind of feet. So by this feet they can swim and they can walk also. Then comes the penguin. So the penguins have two flippers which helps them to swim in the water, as well as they have also a webbed feet. So they use these flippers and their webbed feet for swimming in the water. Then comes the turtles that have a padded limbs. पैडेड लिम्स मतलब कि उनका जो लिम्स है वो कैसा होता है, पैडेड होता है. बेसिकली दीज लिम्स they can use for walking also, as well as they can use for swimming, है ना. So these limbs they use for the two purpose, for swimming as well as walking. Now comes the time for Factopedia. The fact is, there is an insect called boatman. It uses their legs to swim. Insect known as boatman, it uses their legs to swim. Now let us see how. This is the boatman, and these legs, you can see these legs, they use as oars, है ना. oars के जैसे यूज करते हैं पानी में और उसके थ्रू वो स्विम करते हैं. दिस इज हाउ दे स्विम, ऐसे ऐसे वो स्विम करते हैं. Okay, so this is how a boatman is able to swim. An insect, we have seen that they swim from their legs, limbs. So the boatman, a different insect, it also swim but by the help of their leg. So thank you children. I hope this topic would be clear to you all. Thank you.